Are you fully appreciating all the curves of your spine? If you're like me, you were taught to sit up and stand up straight, but nothing could be further from the truth. If we start counting changes of direction, there's 5 in all. From the very bottom of our tailbone, our coccyx, is curved towards the front of our body. If we go up from there, we go backwards into our sacrum, and from there we go forward into our lumbar spine. From there, we go backwards into a kyphotic curve in our whole rib cage, that's our thoracic spine, and from there we move forward into our neck curve. But check it out, at the very top of your spine, that curve reverses one more time to come back and up to where our skull gets to rest on top. Super curvy, which gives us lots of springiness and flow in our movement. Are you enjoying them all? Check out my TED Talk, share the video, and check back soon for more helpful hints.